Mastering ISF submission for chemical imports, key steps. Welcome to our video on ISF submission for chemical and hazardous materials imports.
If you're involved in international trade, especially with the importation of chemical and hazardous materials, understanding the process of filing an importer security filing, ISF, is crucial to ensuring a smooth and compliant import operation.
In this video, we will guide you through the key steps and requirements of ISF submission specifically for these types of imports. So, let's get started.
The ISF submission process is an important part of customs brokerage, as it involves providing the U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, with information about the incoming shipment. For chemical and hazardous materials imports, the process becomes even more critical due to the potential risks involved. The ISF submission creates a vital line of communication between you, as the importer, and the CBP, ensuring that they have the necessary information to assess the safety and security of the goods. Before diving into the ISF submission, it's important to understand the concept of a customs bond. A customs bond is a type of insurance that serves as a guarantee to the CBP, ensuring that all duties, taxes, and fees will be paid, as well as ensuring the compliance with all relevant regulations. This bond is required by the CBP for the majority of import shipments. When dealing with chemical and hazardous materials imports, having a customs bond in place is even more crucial, as it provides an additional layer of assurance regarding the safe handling and compliance of these goods. Now, let's explore the specific ISF requirements for chemical and hazardous materials imports. Firstly, you need to provide detailed information about the shipper, consignee, and manufacturer of the goods. This includes their name, address, and contact details. It's important to ensure that the information provided is accurate and up to date, as any discrepancies can lead to delays and penalties. Secondly, you will need to provide a complete and accurate description of the chemical or hazardous material being imported. This should include the proper harmonized system, HS, code, the material's chemical composition, and any relevant safety datasheets, SDS. The proper classification and identification of these goods are crucial for CBP to assess the potential risks and ensure appropriate handling. Additionally, you'll need to include information about the hazardous material marking and labeling on the packaging. This includes proper identification labels, hazard warnings, and any required symbols or pictograms. Adhering to the proper marking and labeling requirements is essential to ensure the safety of those handling the goods and to comply with the regulations set forth by the CBP and other relevant authorities. Moreover, it's important to include emergency response information in your ISF submission for chemical and hazardous materials imports. This information should detail the appropriate procedures to follow in case of spills, leaks, or any other emergencies related to the goods being imported. Providing this information allows the CBP to be prepared in the event of any incidents and to take appropriate actions to protect public safety. Lastly, it is essential to maintain proper record-keeping and compliance throughout the import process. This includes retaining all documentation related to the ISF submission, as well as any other records required by the CBP or other relevant authorities. Having a robust record-keeping system in place ensures that you can readily access and provide necessary information during audits or inspections, promoting a smooth and efficient import operation. In conclusion, understanding the ISF submission process for chemical and hazardous materials imports is crucial for anyone involved in international trade. By adhering to the specific requirements, such as providing accurate information, proper classification, and appropriate marking and labeling, you can ensure a smooth and compliant importation process. Additionally, maintaining proper record-keeping and compliance is essential for ongoing success in your import operations. Thank you for watching this video.
We hope you found it informative and valuable.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more videos on customs brokerage, customs bonds, and other topics related to international trade.